Hi, baby girls. Well, I decided to get the video camera out and record y'all. That means you should be on your best behavior, Victoria. Ah, video games. What about you, Elizabeth? Telephone? Are you talking on the phone, Elizabeth? What about you, Victoria Reed? What's the big deal? And Miss Victoria Reed. Yeah. Why are you hitting yourself with that? It's better than hitting my sister with it, Mama. So we're about ready to go off to daycare today. Go play with your friends, right? I say we love you, everybody, and we miss you. Come see us soon. Well, I think Victoria is after the video camera, so are you after the video camera? Say, not me, Mom. Not me, Mommy. Okay. Well, looks like Mom has a mess to clean up, huh? Bye-bye, everybody.